Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Lasko heater won't turn on and you're seeing a red light, it can be confusing because the unit looks like it has power but still doesn't start heating. Many users think the heater is broken, but that red light usually indicates a safety feature has been triggered, like tip-over protection, overheating, or an internal reset requirement. These heaters are designed to shut down automatically to prevent hazards, which is why they may not respond even when plugged in. The best part is that in most cases, you can fix this issue quickly with a few simple checks and get your heater working again. Try these. Step 1. Unplug the heater from the power outlet. Step 2. Let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Place the heater on a flat, stable surface. Step 4. Clean the air vents and remove dust buildup. Step 5. Plug it back in and press the power or reset button. Step 6. Test the heater and check if the red light issue is gone.